Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Get rich with these passive income ideas. Sell digital products, ebooks, printables, and templates. Create once, sell repeatedly. Another fantastic passive income idea for 2025 is creating and selling digital products. These could be ebooks, PDFs, design templates, printables, or even music and stock photos. Any digital file that provides value to others. The great advantage here is the ability to create something once and then sell it an unlimited number of times with negligible cost. There's no inventory to hold and no shipping. Customers download your product instantly, and you earn money while doing other things. Self-publishing an ebook is a classic example. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can write a short ebook, say 30 to 100 pages, on a topic you know well, perhaps a how-to guide, a cookbook, or even a niche fiction story, and list it on Amazon. Amazon handles the distribution to potentially millions of readers, Bankrate.com, and you collect royalties on each sale. Similarly, you could design digital planner pages, budget spreadsheets, or social media templates and sell them on marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad. People are often willing to pay filers $10 or more for a ready-made template that saves them time. If you're artistically inclined, printables, like printable art, calendars, or party decorations, can be very popular on Etsy. And let's not forget stock media. Photographers can upload high-quality photos to sites like Shutterstock or Getty Images and get paid every time someone licenses one of their images, Bankrate.com. Musicians can license their music or sound effects to creators, earning royalties whenever someone uses their track. All these fall under selling digital assets. Example: you decide to create a set of printable meal planner templates for busy families and list them on Etsy for $8. You spend time up front making them attractive and useful. Over the next year, 500 people find and purchase your planners. Not unrealistic if you have good keywords and designs, as Etsy has a large user base. That's $4,000 in revenue for work you did once. If you also wrote a short ebook on healthy family recipes and sell it on Amazon for $2.99, and it sells, say, 1,000 copies worldwide, that's another $2,000. Amazon pays 70% royalties on ebooks in that price range. Combined, your digital products could bring in $500+ per month on average. Truly passive once they're out there, aside from occasional customer questions or updates. When creating digital products, quality and niche focus are critical. As one pro tip puts it, focus on solving a specific problem for your target audience. The more valuable your product, the more likely it will generate consistent passive income, site hustleweekend.com. The initial investment is mostly your time and creativity. Marketing helps too. Leveraging social media or a blog to promote your products can boost sales. But even on autopilot, a good digital product can keep selling around the clock. In 2025, with the world more digital than ever, selling digital products is a golden opportunity to create passive revenue streams out of your skills and passions. You don't need to invent a product or stock a warehouse to run a successful online store. Dropshipping and print-on-demand are two e-commerce models that have exploded in popularity and are perfect for passive income seekers. In a dropshipping business, you set up an online storefront, for example using Shopify or another platform, and list products for sale. But you don't actually keep those products in stock. When a customer places an order, you forward it to a dropshipping supplier who ships the product directly to the customer, Shopify.com. You handle marketing and customer service, but the logistical heavy lifting, production, packaging, shipping, is done by the supplier. This means once your store is up and running with good products, the day-to-day work can be minimal, Shopify.com. You might literally be making sales in your sleep, with orders being fulfilled automatically in the background. Print-on-demand is a specialized form of dropshipping for custom-designed products. For example, you can upload your original t-shirt graphic or coffee mug design to a service like Printful or Teespring. They'll handle printing that design on the item only when someone orders it, and then ship it out. You can sell everything from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases, posters, and mugs with your designs. Websites like Cafe Press and Zazzle allow creators to put designs on a variety of merchandise and earn money when those items sell, Bankrate.com. This is fantastic for artists or anyone with a clever idea for merch. You create the design once, and it can keep generating sales. Key tips for success in these models: Niche selection. Find a product niche or audience that isn't oversaturated. Maybe it's eco-friendly pet accessories or funny gym t-shirts. The idea is to stand out with unique products or branding. Quality suppliers. Use reputable dropshipping suppliers or print providers to ensure customers get good quality and reasonable shipping times. Marketing is crucial. These businesses aren't truly, if you build it, they will come. You'll likely need to invest time, or money, into marketing, via social media, ads, or SEO, to drive traffic to your store. The income becomes passive after you've set up a system that consistently brings in customers. Example: you start a dropshipping store for trendy LED home decor lights. You find a supplier on Alibaba or a dropshipping platform that can ship these worldwide. You list them on your Shopify site at a markup. After some marketing on Instagram and TikTok, orders start coming in. The supplier fulfills each order for you. With solid product selection, let's say you net $15 profit per sale. Even just 5 sales a day would bring about $2,250 a month in profit, much of which is automated. On the print-on-demand side, perhaps you also sell a few t-shirts with cool designs you made. Each sale nets you $5, and those add up as well. According to one survey, the average dropshipper earns around $41,000 per year, showing that this can become a substantial income source. Shopify.com. Dropshipping and POD are modern, scalable passive income ideas. They are low investment. Often you just pay for a website and some marketing. You don't pay for products until you've already sold them. Just be prepared. The easy entry means it's competitive. But if you put effort into finding the right niche and delivering value to customers, your online store can run mostly on autopilot. Many entrepreneurs in 2025 use this model to generate a nice side income, and a few scale it into a big full-time business. For those with a tech streak or the willingness to collaborate with developers, creating a mobile app or software tool can be a gateway to significant passive income. It's a higher effort, potentially higher reward idea. The concept is to build a useful app or software for mobile, web, or as a SaaS, software as a service, that once launched, can generate revenue with little incremental effort. Revenue might come from app purchases, in-app ads, or subscription fees if it's a service. We live in a world ruled by apps, and with mobile app revenues expected to hit $190 billion by 2025, the earning possibilities are huge. Side Hustle Weekend. Come sidehustleweekend.com. You don't have to be a coding genius to get into this. Although having programming skills definitely helps, you can also outsource development or use no-code app builder platforms to create simpler apps. Sidehustleweekend.com. The key is identifying a need or problem that a software solution can solve. It could be a fun game, a productivity tool, a finance tracker, a niche social app, anything people would find useful or entertaining. Once the heavy lifting of development is done and you launch the app, your work shifts to maintenance and updates, which are occasional rather than constant. A successful app can keep attracting downloads or users on its own. If it's a paid app or has ads, every new user is passive income. If it's a subscription service, SaaS, you could have monthly recurring revenue coming in steadily. Example: consider a simple yet practical app like a budget planner specifically designed for freelancers. You realize many freelancers struggle with tracking irregular income and taxes, so you build, or hire someone to build, an app for that. You offer a free tier and a premium subscription for $5 a month with extra features. With good marketing, it slowly grows to 5,000 users, and 500 of them are premium subscribers. That's $2,500 per month in subscription revenue. You'll need to keep the app updated to fix bugs, add minor features, and ensure compatibility with new devices. But it's not a 9-to-5 job. Much of the income is recurring and passive. Meanwhile, maybe you also created a simple mobile game on the side. It sells for $1 on the App Store and continuously brings in a trickle of purchases that add to your passive income. Remember that for every blockbuster app, there are many that only earn a little. But even a few hundred extra dollars a month from an app is great passive income. If you hit on something people love, the upside can be life-changing. The global app market keeps expanding, with millions of users downloading apps daily. Investopedia.com. Your app just needs to grab a slice of that. Innovation is key. Solve a real problem or offer unique entertainment. It's certainly one of the more challenging ideas on this list, but in 2025 it's more feasible than ever. Development tools are more accessible, thanks to things like AI-assisted coding and no-code platforms. And market access is immediate via app stores. High effort upfront, potentially massive passive rewards down the line. Conclusion: take action and build your future. We've covered a lot of ground, from simple bank interest to cutting-edge app development. By now you've seen that passive income ideas in 2025 are incredibly diverse. Whether you're starting with $100 or with just your time and creativity, there's an opportunity for you to start earning money with minimal ongoing effort. The modern twist is that technology and the internet have supercharged passive income. Global platforms and digital tools let you reach customers worldwide at any hour. It's like having a team of little moneymakers working for you in the background of your life. Now here's the big takeaway. Passive income isn't magic. It's built one step at a time. You might need to put in significant effort up front, or invest some money, or learn new skills. But once your passive income machine is set up, it can pay you back many times over. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind when part of your income doesn't depend on clocking into a job. When your investments, your content, your assets, or your business are generating cash flow 24/7. As one expert advises, be optimistic yet pragmatic. Start small, learn and adapt, and you can build upon each success. Investopedia.com. Even $5 a day in passive income is a start. That's money you didn't trade hours for. From there, you can scale up to $50 a day, $100 a day, or more by diversifying and reinvesting your gains. So which idea resonated with you most? You don't need to do them all. Pick one or two to focus on and actually get started. The best time to create a passive income stream was yesterday. The second best time is today. Commit to taking that first step, whether it's writing an outline for your ebook, researching dividend ETF options, or signing up for that affiliate program. Finally, if you found this guide helpful and motivating, do smash that like button and share this video with others who could benefit. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful content on building wealth and financial freedom. We have plenty more value coming your way. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. With passive income, you can literally make money work for you. So get out there and start building those income streams. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments, subscriptions.